welcome back to my channel. It feels like I haven't sat down and filmed a proper sit-down video like this for ages. Yeah, I feel like I've mainly been filming like kind of vloggy videos, but I want to get back to these more sit-down professional videos as well. I know you all love my vlogs, but I really want to do more summary like favorites videos and those kind of more artistic-y videos that I love doing. Also some more real talk sit-down videos, so be excited for that. If you like that sort of content, then please do subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Wednesday and every Sunday, so click the bell button to be notified whenever I upload. And with that said, let's just hop right on into the video. This video is in collaboration with JFR.se, and I did do a haul video recently with them, and I absolutely love their things. They have makeup, shoes, really trendy clothing, posters, accessories, everything like that, and they ship worldwide. And I have a coupon code for you, which is Ellie20, and you can use that on anything apart from things that are already on sale. So I just thought this video, because there aren't that many things, that it's not a huge haul, that I would talk about each piece and like give you some inspiration on how to style it for the summertime, because this is a summer haul. And yeah, I'm really excited about everything I got, so let's just hop right on into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this really cute off the shoulder crop top, and it's got flared arms, which I really love. And this one, I got it in a size small. I really love the arms. They're really like, it's really trendy with flared arms, and I don't own anything like this, so I'm really excited. And I love stripes and red. I just love the color red. And yeah, so this clothing piece I would style with anything really. You can dress it up with a pair of more fancy like black pants, or you could wear it with some denim shorts, or even a denim skirt would look super cute, like a jean denim skirt with this, or a white denim skirt. So I really like that. And I would also style this with another thing that I got, which were these amazing sunnies. And this like whole cat eye trend has been so in recently with sunglasses, and I never feel like I look good in sunnies, so yeah, I don't know how I look in these, but I absolutely love these, so I will still be wearing them. But I thought this would look really cute to pair with this top because it's also red. Next thing I want to show you is one of my favorite little things ever. I was so excited to get this. Look at this, it is so cute. It looks like a little picnic bag, and picnics are one of my favorite things in the summer, and you definitely don't have to, I don't know, I just think it would be so cute. And it's got this brown strap here, and then this wooden material is like woven, and then you open it by pushing that in. I need two hands. There we go. And then when you open it, it's got floral inside. The cutest summer bag I've ever seen. So I will be wearing this a lot because I always have like black little bags, and I don't think they look good to everything. They can be too harsh. Like if you don't have any black in your outfit, then I'd love this. Now that thing's poking out, I didn't close it properly. In this bag, it would fit like basically everything you need. Here's my phone. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's quite like wide, so you could have like power bank, a fruit like a snack, a wallet with ID, or a purse, you know, some sunnies, everything you need. And the band is obviously adjustable, so you can have it as long as you want, or as short as you want. I'm so sorry if you can hear all the flies flying around in my room. I hate flies. But when I look at this bag, I instantly think of a cute little wrap dress, like a wrap dress with a floral print on it, and just some slides, some cute summer slides, or some white sneakers, or just anything that's like cute and dainty. It would look super cute. I've actually got an example. This floral dress is from a company that I will show you in a video which is coming up, so I won't spoil that. Another top that I'd love to pair with this would be this top that I also got sent from JFR.se, and I actually got this in my last haul with them, but in black, and I loved it so much that I got it in white as well, because it's one of those tops that you tie in the front, and I was always like, only the itty bitty titty committee can wear that. I don't have huge boobs, but I also don't have like no boobs. I've got like in between, so this works really well for me. I don't know, I just really like it. It's just perfect, and it's got ruffled sleeves and really nice material. It would be really cute for like seeing your friends on a summer's day, or just when you want to look a bit nicer, when you want to try a bit more. And this top paired with this, yes please. Next thing I want to show you are a pair of trousers. These trousers are more of a like fancy trouser, or like a posh one. Well, not posh, but you could wear them to a party or a dinner or a date, like, you know, that kind of trouser. They look like this. I got them in a size small. They are a bit too big in the waist for me, just so you can have that as a reference. But I really, really love the material of these trousers. They've got a slit going on down here, if you can see that. They're like open, and then they've got the material is like sewn in a special way, so it looks kind of unique. Yeah, I really, really like these trousers, and I might actually get my sister to help me sew them in if that's possible, or I can just like put a belt over them. They don't have belt holes, but I think I can just place a belt over it and it will be fine. And they're not that big, so I can still like wear them without a belt. It's no biggie. I really, really like these trousers. And I could probably pair this with another top that they sent me, which looks like this. It's the same as the red one, but in blue. I just had to get it in blue as well because I knew I would love this top, and I love the color of this. So cute. So I think that would look really nice with these black trousers, for a more like sophisticated look. If you want to make the trousers look more casual, obviously you could dress the trousers up with like a glittery mesh top or a nice shirt to make it look more party going out-ish, and some heels. You can definitely dress it up or dress it down, which is what I love about these kind of pieces, you know. And then I got another pair of sunnies which look like this, and I've just been seeing these everywhere. Oh, life's going good. Okay, yeah, I've just been seeing these everywhere and they're super trendy right now. It's these heart-shaped glasses. No, sunglasses. I just think they're so cute. They had them in red as well, but I thought because the pattern would, like the design of these was so out there, that I would go a bit low-key with the colour. And just look at me in these. They do not suit me, but I think it's my face shape. Like, I think these would suit a lot of people, just not me for some reason. But they weren't very expensive, so I still say they're worth a try. If you love sunnies and you want to try something new, they would probably look really cute with this top, so just a little tip. Okay, next thing I got is one of my favorites. So they're selling like vintage Levi's, and I got these. I got them in the size small, but they're distressed and they're one of a kind, but they have loads more on their website. So if you hurry up, you can probably get yourself a pair of vintage Levi's. They look like this. They're super cute and distressed, as I said. I didn't think they would fit because they look really big, but they're not. They fit really well. The only place they're a bit big is the waist, but you can obviously wear them with a belt, which is great. The only thing that was a bit annoying is they've got a small hole in the back up there, but hopefully I'll be able to fix that somehow, and it's not in a super inappropriate place, so I think I can get away with wearing them anyway. With some skin coloured underwear maybe, I think it would look alright. But I just love these jeans so much. They're my first ever Levi's jeans. Really love them, and I'd probably wear these with this top or the red flowy one. I think that would look really nice and summery, and then also the bag with that. Oh, yes sir. Or I'd wear the vintage Levi's with this top here. It's just a black Metallica like rocky band tee, oversized. I really love these oversized t-shirts with distressed jean shorts. I think it looks so cool and really nice. So last but not least, I got a cute pajama set, and that fly is bugging me. Can you be quiet please? Or will I have to kill you? That wouldn't be very vegetarian of me. Let's get to the point. I got a set of PJs. My voice cracked. Okay, I think these are absolutely adorable. I got them in a small and I love lounging around in pajama shorts, flowy shorts in the summertime at home, because with YouTube and editing and filming, you never really see the bottom half of me. Like now, I'm not really wearing any trousers at all, so I love wearing these around the house. It's my favorite thing. It's so comfortable. You're still wearing something. If like the postman comes, you're still dressed, but it feels like you're not, so that's what I love about these. And they're also so cute. Like they're maroon or burgundy with some black lace and a little black bow. And then as for the top half, we have, oh, and also these are like a really nice silk material, like Victoria's Secret-esque. I think it will be really cool to wear to bed for the summertime because it gets so hot in my room. Most of the time I sleep without clothes because it's so hot. Yeah, but maybe I'll be able to sleep with this because the material feels cool. And yeah, this is the same color with the black lace at the bottom. It looks really nice. It's got a scooped neck. You can adjust the straps, which is so good. Love that. I think this top is so cute that I would probably wear it out, like not just as a pajama top. I think you can wear it just by itself with a different pair of bottoms, like with those black trousers I showed you earlier. Yeah, that was everything for this haul. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. So that was everything for this haul video slash showing you what to pair the items with. I really don't know what I'm going to call this video. If you have a better example than what I've called this video, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to do more of these haul videos where I kind of tell you guys about what I'd wear it with, then comment down below, because I think that could be a really interesting concept that I'd like to watch. If you found anything that you liked, please check my description box because I will have linked everything down below, and I'll also put the coupon code which gives you 20% off everything, which is really good. It's Ellie20, don't forget to use that. So yeah, now's a perfect time to spice up your summer wardrobe. They also have some cute bikinis. Why not do it now whilst you got 20% off? Link down below. So again, a huge thank you to JFR.se for collabing on me with this video. I really love their products, and yeah, hopefully I can work with them again in the future. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, here are the shoutouts for today's video. I love you all so much. It warms my heart to see your kind comments, and you guys are the sweetest, and I honestly love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being there and supporting me. I will see you in my next video. Bye!
I'm a lonely soul.